Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade, an exotic lemonade. It's a jackfruit lemonade that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This exotic lemonade, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, pineapple extract and color. I have here the jackfruit. It's a very sweet, the flavor is just amazing. It's a combination of flavors of fruit that I know you guys are going to love. Lemons, water, and ice. This is everything we need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup. By making your simple syrup, you're going to use less sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of regular sugar, and then I'm going to let it sit until it dissolves completely and comes to room temperature. And of course, here I have already peeled my jackfruit and I already removed the seeds. This fruit really has so much properties and the flavors amazing. You could taste the flavor of mango, you could taste the flavor of passion fruit, you could taste the flavor of even pineapple. This fruit has so many properties and so many antioxidants that you're really going to fall in love with this. I'm gonna save a little bit for the decoration of my picture, and here I am ready to just add water. Of course, I'm using my NutriBullet because this is the NutriBullet I use only for my agua frescas, my lemonade. Once this is nice and blended, then I am ready to start preparing this exotic lemonade. Well, here I want to show you the texture. It's really creamy, nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want to enjoy this delicious lemonade. I'm not leaving anything behind on the blender cup. And of course, in the description box, you're going to have all the ingredients. I'm adding the simple syrup, only half. Remember, you decide how sweet you want your lemonade. I'm adding the lemon juice, the pinch of salt that is going to really help with the acidity of the lemon and bring those flavors really intense. And here I'm adding the flavor, the color, and the extract of the pineapple. Look at this. This just looks amazing. The aroma that it's leaving behind is just amazing. Of course, when you make this jackfruit lemonade, you are really going to love it. It's so hot here in California that why not make an amazing lemonade at home with fresh fruit. Look at this. It's nice and yellow. It's nice and thick. And of course, I'm gonna add a lot of ice because I really love enjoying my lemonades with lots of ice. If you liked and loved this recipe, I am sure you're going to love my playlist of lemonades. Go check them out. I am sure you're going to love them. And here I am ready to prepare my pitcher. But before I do that, I reserved some jackfruit and I'm just gonna cut it in small little cubes. In small little cubes to add it to my pitcher and add it to my glass of lemonade. It really doesn't take too long, but when you make a lemonade with lots of love, everything comes out perfect. My family is really going to get refreshed with this delicious exotic lemonade. Look at this. I am ready to prepare my pitcher with lots and lots of ice, and of course with the jackfruit cubed in small little pieces. I am ready to add the ice. I'm gonna make sure that I add enough jackfruit little squares inside. The color is just amazing. I wish you guys were here to really smell the aroma of the jackfruit with the combination with the color, flavor, and pineapple extract. And now I am ready to finish up this pitcher and get ready my glass. I can't wait to enjoy it. I hope, my friends, you leave me a thumbs up, and you are welcome to be here with me, enjoy this amazing lemonade, and be part of my family so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this exotic, delicious, refreshing jackfruit lemonade that I know you are going to love. The jackfruit has such an amazing and delicious flavors and combinations of fruit that I know you are really going to love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this amazing lemonade came out. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. And with the little pieces of jackfruit, amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and exotic lemonade at home. If I could do it, you could do it. And I am sure you're going to refresh your family with this amazing lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay enjoying this exotic lemonade, jackfruit. I'll stay enjoying this exotic jackfruit lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.